Okay. The shower head, just got it, and it works really well actually. Pretty nice screen. You can adjust it. You can adjust how powerful you want. You can kind of reduce it. Reduce the screen or increase it. How powerful. That's it. Works really well. This is cheap plastic junk. I really didn't like it. Plus it had a water restrictor in it that was impossible to remove. So I bought that. Look how nice that is. It's beautiful. And it matches the brushed nickel that was already here in the shower. But it works great. See? It took me 60 seconds, I think, to unscrew the other one and to put this one on, and I'm really happy with it. It does not have a low flow thing in it. It gives the full pressure, and you don't have to remove anything. I'm happy.
For anyone trying to get a nozzle with good pressure. Damn, now that's some pressure.